everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Etsy. I believe it's posted from Canada and I believe I ordered some stuff from Etsy. Yes, I did. So I'm excited to see this. All right, the packaging is awesome. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? Some chocolate chips or something like that. So I ordered ephemera that I thought I could use in some of my crafting, pocket letters or the MD cards. So here's this. It looks like a class schedule and maybe a grade card. And here is a Snoopy and Charlie Brown. And I do not remember the name of the shop, and I don't think she put it on the return address, no. She just has a P.O. box. So I will have to include it in the description box below. And in case you guys are wondering what I searched, I just went to Etsy and searched ephemera, and I actually was looking for Snoopy ephemera, so I put in Snoopy ephemera to see what came up, and I found Snoopy, and then I found some others, and I was like, oh goodness, I need to get all of this. So I did. It looks like she divided it by, so there's the Snoopy, and then here is some Scooby-Doo. Okay. So let's look at the Scooby-Doo first. Actually, it's bigger than I expected. I expected it to be small, little pieces of ephemera. But these are kind of big, and they're really cute. So it's two-sided. And I'll just go through it so you guys can see it kind of quickly. Scooby snacks. And the reason I wanted some Scooby is because my best friend Lisa has a dog named Scooby and another dog named Daphne, and I thought this would be fun to make something for her with. So Lisa, if you're watching, I don't know what I'm going to make with these now that they're bigger pieces than I expected, and I have a lot of them, so I'm going to do something fun with them. I don't know exactly what, but these are so cute. It looks like it might even be from like a book or books. There are some that are smaller. I mean, it might even be like a comic book that she cut out, or this looks like a regular book. And Scooby showed them. I mean, how fun is that? No ghost, said Thelma. It's cute. And there's Fred. Scooby with a kitty. There's the whole gang. And there's Scrappy. And Daphne. And that's a cute one. And this one's cute too. So these are really cute. So I didn't really get to see what I was getting. I just knew it was ephemera, and I thought, okay, this is cute. And it is cute, so I'm excited. Oh, look at that. Shaggy. Scooby's making some Scooby snacks. Running from a ghost. This one's really cute. I love that one. In the movie theater. Her baking something, probably Scooby snacks. Oh, at first I thought that was a cigarette. I was like, what is that? But it's a straw to his drink. That's way better. Shaggy and Scoob getting pizzas made, it looks like. They're all excited. Scary. The donut shop. And there's pizzas. Look at that sandwich. That's funny. Oh my goodness, this is great. Aww, that's cute. And this one. So those are really cute. I'm liking that. And then I wanted some Scooby ones, and I also got those. So, or not Scooby, Snoopy ones. He's sucking his thumb, and then he looks at it, and his sister comes by. Do thumbs ever spoil? And then I wonder if I look pathetic. Sometimes when little dogs sit in the rain looking pathetic, rich ladies come by in big chairs and take them to their beautiful homes. And then he's still sitting there, and then he starts walking away, but not very often. So that's cute. Ooh, and this one's really pretty. It has foils on it, so like red and blue foil. Looks like it may have been from like a card or something. I don't know, but it's cute. And here, Sally and Franklin and Snoop Dogg, Snoop, and just a piece of all of them. Oh, that's cute. They're like on a train or something. There's Linus and Snoop. And it looks like this was a coloring book or something. It's really cool. And here Sally is loving up against Linus. What's going on here? And then he takes her back and puts her in her crib. Rats, she says. I don't mind playing right field. I don't mind standing out here in the weeds over my head. Really, I don't. I mean, if this is where I can do the team the most good, this is where I belong. The only thing that bothers me is I don't know if I'm facing the right way. Ah, a snowflake, followed by a few more, and a few more, and a few more. All right, you guys. Ma'am, I didn't hear the question. What is sledge? I liked it better when I didn't hear it. These are cute. And again, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with all of these, but... Well, did you tell Santa Claus what you wanted for Christmas? Sure. I also wished him a very happy Hanukkah. We didn't have much time, but we discussed what Judas Maccabeus and the cleansing of the temple. It's not often that you find a Santa Claus who's interested in religion. I wonder if it's possible to be in love with two different girls at the same time. I remember once when I had two cookies, a chocolate chip and a peanut butter, and I loved them both. And Woodstock, and Chuck, lawn mowing. Oh, that's interesting, like a puffer fish. I know where the food is, so forget it. And he says, I'd make a terrible bee. My mom and dad were going on a little vacation, but they changed their minds. Mom is kind of a worrier. She says, what if they were driving along the freeway doing about 70 and something suddenly went wrong with the glove compartment? That is something to worry about. Crazy. Aw, that's cute. And Woodstock. They're dyeing eggs. Some of these are double-sided. Snoop Dogg. Someone told me this was a beginner slope. Good grief. Out of my way, you stupid beagle. This one says, I feel like such a fool. Aw, that's cute. The early bird gets the worm. Typewriter, food, and he's wearing like Hawaiian. Let's see, was that 12 or 13? Security is when the seatbelt can stretch around you and your blanket. Aw, looks like he fell off his bike. Snoopy. It's raining cats and dogs. Sometimes Woodstock's expressions can get pretty gross. There he is washing dishes. Good grief. Tornado, tornado. I feel like Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. I wonder what that's about. And then here, Snoopy. And Woodstock on this side. And Snoopy. I guess it's part of a story. And here's another comic strip. That's cute. Make one mistake and pay for it the rest of your life. Don't think you can get away with it from me forever. I'm going to knock your block off. I'm going to mangle you. I'm going to annihilate you. Wow. Okay. Getting off a cable car gracefully requires a certain amount of dexterity. And there's Snoopy. Oh, this is a better one. That's cute. And then here, is football, and Snoopy with Linus, and Charlie Brown with Linus. And I guess some of them are double-sided, so I could use whatever side I wanted to. So I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with these. If you guys have some ideas, I'd love to hear what you would do with them. I could make a mini album, or I could, I don't know what. I could do, whatever I said I wanted to do, but now I don't remember the name of it. Pocket letter, but I'd have to trim them down. And then I also got these Beatrice Potter envelopes. And I didn't know how these would come either, but these look really cute. So I like how she made it look like a little present. But they're little envelopes and they have little note card thing in them. How sweet is that? And there's the owl. How cute. These are about 2.5 inches. These could probably be part of a pocket letter if I wanted them to. These are adorable. Oh, I love that one. And that one. So that's really cute, and they all have the little card inside. Looks like she made them out of maybe a book or something. What a great idea. I love the idea. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so that is what I got from this shop. I found it on Etsy. I just searched ephemera, and I think I actually started out by searching Snoopy ephemera, and that's what I found. And then I also just like to look at the shops after I find something that I like to see if there's anything else, and I found a couple more things, so yay! So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will try to remember to leave her information below. If for some reason I forget, please let me know, and I'll be happy to put it there. Bye-bye.